Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I posted a video, but there's been a lot that's been happening, even though the we've been on lockdown due to the coronavirus pandemic. But I have recently acquired this 2005 BMW M3. It is a 6-speed manual in silver gray metallic, and I just bought it like 3 days ago from a guy in Virginia. Um, he was probably the 7th owner. This has 142,000 miles. So excuse the loud sound. It's about 5 p.m. here in New York, and it's quite loud. People are no longer at home, so everybody's out. But then again, there's nobody in my street. This is also another car I recently bought. This is a Ford F-150 5-speed manual, 4.6 V8 in the regular cab, 4x4. That's my CL600 right there. Then my 300ZX, my X5, and then my M5 in front of it. Anyway, so back to this car. It came with the, I think these are the original, excuse the noise, these are the original factory 19-inch wheels. This car was equipped with them, but the tires are a little thin. I decided to go with something a little bit better, so I picked up these Apex EC7s. The fronts are 9.5 ET43, and the rears are 10 ET25. So they are about 10 millimeters apart from a E46 spec. So the tires are all 275 35 18s. So I'll see what I can do. Maybe I'll have to use some spacers. I'm not really sure, but I believe these wheels will look a little bit better than what we have currently. I wanted to go with the ZCP or the CSL style wheels, but I didn't want to put 19-inch wheels. The roads are a little bit rough around here, so I really wanted to keep the tire as thick as possible while still looking great. The car has a black interior. Let me show you guys. It's actually in fairly good condition. It's not too bad, except for this part a little bit and some wear and tear. But it is pretty good. I actually, this is another story. Anyway, the rear seat doesn't close properly. There's a few issues, but everything kind of works. All the windows are there. I mean, all the regulators work. It's missing the original stereo. It didn't come with the navigation. It came with the business radio the BMW offered. It came with a silver trim. I'm probably gonna keep it or maybe make it piano black, depending on what I do with the interior. But I definitely have to fix this sag on the seats. Engine wise, this car has a speed sensor code. It has a agency power exhaust. Let me show you guys the back. The agency power exhaust, which sounds loud, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it. The rear bumper paint is questionable, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it. As you guys can see, these things. But overall, the price I paid for this car kind of makes up for everything wrong. The brakes are brand new, like literally brand new rotors. I'm not sure if you guys can see, and pads. And even the tires are pretty damn good. But I'm gonna be selling these wheels and tires. The car has a tint, and it looks pretty good to me, at least. The grills are still OEM, but somebody plastic dipped it, so I'm gonna take that off. Maybe, I'm not sure. I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna try and take them off. But overall, the guy was asking $9,000 for this car. It's a 6-speed manual. But me and my brother decided we're not going to give him that money because the car has issues. It has a, oh, forgot about it. It has a crazy ding right here. I'll show you if you guys can see it. Yep. I have to get that fixed. There's another one on the roof. I'm not sure where it is. Can't see. So this car has been in a couple accidents before. And it has a rebuilt title. But my insurance is pretty low. I thought the insurance would be pretty high, but they didn't really charge me too much money. I'm paying $254 a year for an agreed value of $12,000. However, me and my brother, it also has plastic dipped these vents. They're all plastic dipped. Yeah, so a few things I have to fix, but the paint is in pretty good condition. There's no deep scratches, no rust. Thankfully, this is a California car. Some fitment issues like the bumper, you guys can see. Overall, so me and my brother paid $6,500 for this car in cash. We took a rental car to Virginia and then left the car there, drove this one back. So $6,500 all said and done is a pretty good deal for a 2005 BMW M3. Might need vanos work, it might need rod bearings, but overall this is a pretty good deal in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys next time.